Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites quickly. Check iOS updates, confirm your carrier plan includes a personal hotspot, and make sure cellular data is on. Once done, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on so tethering can negotiate. If the hotspot option remains grayed out, restart your iPhone to clear temporary states. Doing this early removes common causes. It also prepares the phone for deeper settings work without wasting time on basic checks. Now address settings that often hide the hotspot. Reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles. This removes saved Wi-Fi and VPN entries, but often restores the hotspot control. Next, sign out and back into iCloud, and if your carrier app exists, re-authenticate to refresh service permissions. Finally, check for carrier settings updates in about. A prompt appears if needed. These steps realign system profiles and permissions. Finish by confirming provisioning with your carrier. Ask them to verify hotspot service and APN details on their side, because a disabled provisioning often grays the control. If carrier support can't resolve it, back up your iPhone and perform an erase and restore to eliminate deep software corruption. As a troubleshooting tip, if you need immediate connectivity, use Bluetooth or USB tethering to share your phone's data while waiting for carrier fixes or a full restore to complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.